The $150 Adobe Creative Cloud subscription and the $10 Apple iCloud storage tier sit on the same bank statement under the same silent financial engine. One company locks your entire professional history behind a restrictive proprietary cloud wall, while the other quietly scales a recurring micropayment infrastructure that extracts billions from empty space. And the simple cancellation laws consumer tech was built on are being systematically engineered away in 2026, killed by dark user patterns. 3 digital software platforms paying you with convenience, one worth your transaction. Rule number 1. The interface is never the utility. I've watched the subscription aisle turn into a digital magic trick over the last decade. Same underlying cloud architecture on half the apps, wildly different retention schemes. Nobody tells you that the creative tool you trust and the utility app you forgot to cancel answer to the same retention marketing algorithms. So let me show you the subscription shelf the way I read it. The first thing I check on any software service is the cancellation path, then the data export portability, then the back-end pricing scalability. Everything else is a marketing photo shoot. Feature lists sell you a feeling. I am going to sell you the technical spec. Number 1, Adobe. Here is the marker that matters. Adobe built its industry monopoly on industry-standard creative tools. Then the business model shifted entirely to the cloud ecosystem, and user autonomy died right there. The moment you try to scale back your overhead, you hit their legendary dark pattern. Hidden early termination fees that cost hundreds of dollars just to close an account you already paid for. You are paying a premium luxury tax for an interface that locks your data hostage in proprietary file formats. The competitive gap closed, the high pricing did not. You aren't paying for better cloud servers. You are paying for an institutional monopoly. Just call it what it is. Number 2, Amazon Prime. The corporate analysts figured this one out years ago. Launched as a basic shipping perk, it mutated into a multi-tiered tracking ecosystem that charges you a premium annual fee while quietly inserting advertisements inside the video streaming architecture you already paid for. To get the basic experience your father had, they now demand an additional monthly upsell tier. You are paying an ongoing carrier fee for a platform whose primary goal is tracking your shopping data to sell you more low-grade retail inventory. Hold that thought, because the next asset charged you for a notification streak. Number 3, Duolingo. This app launched on the pure promise of free language transparency and community learning. Then the monetization metrics took over. The gamification loops were engineered by behavioral psychologists not to teach you a skill, but to optimize daily active user tracking and push you toward a high-margin premium tier. The moment the notification streak becomes a chore, the structural value collapses. You are paying a premium subscription fee for an app that prioritizes dopamine loops over true cognitive education. Which raises a bigger question. Who actually owns your data on this digital shelf? Which brings me to the turn. Because there are still software architectures built to protect the consumer and maximize data independence. One digital ecosystem still puts the user's utility and data privacy first. Proton. While big tech scanning architectures analyze your emails, files, and subscription histories to build corporate advertising profiles, this Swiss-based ecosystem utilizes zero-access end-to-end encryption. The software code is entirely open source, meaning the security protocol is auditable by independent global experts, not a corporate secret hidden behind a legal boardroom. There are no automated billing traps, no hidden termination fees, and no monetization loops engineered to exploit your attention span. Set it once, secure your digital capital forever. So here is the digital shelf. Read honestly. Open source privacy frameworks preserve your long-term independence. Recurring auto-billing models silently devalue your capital. Privacy-focused architectures protect your digital identity. Corporate platform monopolies extract it. A company's cancellation flow is its real philosophy written in code. Read the fine print before you download the interface. You aren't paying for better cloud utility. You are paying for the brand name on the application icon. I'm Bill. I read the technical spec, not the marketing label. Subscribe if you have not. This channel follows the utility, not the hype.